There's some of the reenactors going in to reenact. It's the battlefield there. So there they go off to battle. Alright, so flags here. See if I can get a good look at this. Indiana 42nd Regiment Infantry. Volunteers. And here, not much in there. More tents and stuff down there, so let's go take a look at those. Alright, so get this teepee looking thing. And there you go, look at that. All the things they would have had back in the Civil War, you know, with electric fans and things like that. Not too shabby. Then we got these tents here. Good looking flag there. I like the way that says. They got the Confederate flags over here. Let's take a chance. It's a woman in a antebellum dress there. So there's a place to maybe buy something to eat. And that there might be a campground over there, I don't know. Alright, so we got us an encampment over here. Captain D.L. Bradley, Tennessee Infantry Regiment. Let's see if the captain's in. The captain ain't in, but looks like he's been sleeping here. Here they got him a place set around the fire. You can see right there. There's an open place over there. And then can't really squeeze through here, but get us a good look that way. So you can see that little cot looks like out here. There's a cooler underneath that. Beds for several. Some chairs to sit in. Place for fire. Got them some wood. Little tents there. So looks like a pretty good little encampment here. Got a little comfort at home. Look at that. Even have some light, candlelight right there at night. Battle's going to start here in about probably 12 minutes or so, and then we'll go check that out. But you see how woodsy it is through here, so that's nice. You see I'm kind of coming in from a back side, it looks like. This big tent there. Hey, how y'all doing? It's a table for preparing stuff. Big open tent. All these little tents on this side. A little bit of light for that for night. Then it goes on through there. People's resting, relaxing down there. So I won't go through there. But you see they got a big encampment here. Got some porta potty deals here. So it works. Right out here is going to be the battlefield. We'll be standing out over to my left. You see up there is going to be a side where they're going to be fighting from. Then the wrong side is down there. The rebel side is up here. So we want to go check that out. Okay, now I did not know they had cell phones in the Civil War.
Yeah.
Man, I gotta learn my history again. Okay, so the Federals down there are moving. You can see them down through there. Ooh, I see a bunch of Confederates over there that are marching in to the field. So we're about to go. When there's someone on horseback. Okay. Now the action's getting ready to start. Yeah, hopefully you can see them out there. I'm shooting this in 5.3. I want to zoom it into at least 4K, maybe even a little further, and try to get you a decent shot of this. Shooting this all on the anamorphic lens. But they are moving in, and I don't see the Federals, which are over there. I don't see them really moving, so they're waiting. But now back over here to the Confederates. Guys on horses are staying back. Okay, each one answered with cannon. Alright, the troops have halted. The horses are moving up. Okay, another big gun. Oh, there's a few Federals over there moving up. There's not that many of them. So this is the battle for Decatur, Alabama. And the right side is to my right, and the wrong side is to the left. Oh, now they're firing their rifles over there. And I don't see any Federals falling. Oh, look at that big smoke ring. Oh man, it hit the ground. Look at that. There's another one. Okay, that's pretty cool. Okay, now they're shooting over there. Okay, a few rifle shot over there. Okay, the Federals just answered, and the Confederates are answering back. Okay, it's a cannon shot from the Confederate side again. Still shooting their rifles up there on the Confederate side. Now the Federals over there are shooting a few shots back. Hopefully I can get in close enough to where you can see this happening. Okay, the Confederates just shot another cannon shot, and a bigger one. Alright, so which side's going to charge first? They're advancing on the Confederate side. The horses are as well. Here comes the horses towards me. Hope they get a little closer. And they are. I'll be zooming in on them. And hopefully get a good view of them. And the horses are retreating a little bit. Alright, yeah, they're definitely retreating now. There they go, they're leaving the field. Oh, nope, they just backed up. You can see straight ahead of us, straight over there, are the Confederates. And they are sending a big volley over. Now the Federals over there are sending a little volley back, not a big one. Okay, so some of the Federals are moving towards me, actually. Okay, now they just knelt down to fire. Guys on horses are still standing there. They've got their flag flying high. I don't see the Federals with a flag at all in their ranks there. The Confederates are moving. They are coming forward. And I see more Federals way down there behind those trees moving. Okay, here goes the horses. They are galloping in. They're trying to draw fire, it looks like. There's some Confederates way out there, moving off to the right. There's some rebels coming back, coming in. So they went off to draw some fire, but didn't succeed, doesn't look like. Yeah, there are a few guys that probably on the field. Hopefully I can get enough zoom in. Okay, now the Federals have come back to their feet. Okay, there's some Federals way out through there that's shooting. Now these nearer ones are shooting. The Confederates are on the move again. They're coming closer. Here's the boys on the horses. They're coming in. Okay, they're pretty close. The Federals are all bound up. And another rebel just fell. Okay, they're on the move again. The Confederates coming in. And the sun's back out lighting things up. Okay, so they just moved to that little tiny rise. Okay, looks like there's a medic up there on the guy that's laying on the ground. Oh, the Confederates are pulling back. Okay, they seem to be getting in formation. They might be going to charge now. Yep, Federals are backing up. The Federals are backing up. And the Federals are running for the trees. Okay, the horses are coming back. They went over to where the guys got a cannon. So they're heading back. So honestly, the Federals have left the field. The Confederates are moving on down. Alright, so the Confederates are back up on the hill, kind of where they were for the longest time, and they seem to be heading on back towards their camp. They've been backing up for quite a few minutes. And I do believe they're going to exit the field. Alright, so it's over. The dead have gotten up. People's clapping, yelling, you can hear. Okay, they're all marching down the field toward the Federals. For some reason. But I've moved up here towards the Confederate guns, so we're going to get a close-up look at them. Alright, so here's the littlest gun they had there. You can see. And this other little one. And they got their bigger ones down there. Alright, so that should do the video. Hope you enjoyed it.